What's up, Natural Gang? It's your girl, Naturally Cree, and today I'm coming. Listen, it's been a lot. So, a couple of days ago, I posted on my story that, well, over the past couple of months, I've been posting, like, trying to get my hair back healthy, different things like that, making sure that, I do what I'm supposed to do with my hair, deep conditioning, hot oil treatments. But one thing that I was lacking was protein treatments. Since I want to say last year, October, I noticed that I had some breakage in my hair. And for those of you that don't know what breakage is, I'm going to insert a clip here and you'll see what I mean. Breakage is in, like, you can tell a significant difference. It's very thin, very fine. It's got like a shafty, like it just looks like it's not healthy. Now breakage, I want to inform you that breakage can come from many different things. It can come from stress, it can come from lack of moisture, it can come from different medications that you're taking. So if you have low porosity hair, I do want you to know that you are more prone to have breakage if you're not really taking care of your hair. My hair, it broke off. Like, it just broke off. I knew I was up under a lot of stress. I had just started graduate school. At the time, I was working 2 jobs. It was just a lot happening at one time. I was on the way of getting my YouTube channel started. It was just a lot, and I wasn't really taking care of my hair. I was doing my yarn protective styles back to back without really moisturizing it, letting it go for months, and not deep conditioning, not doing what I was supposed to do. So your girl got some breakage in her hair. So I wanted to inform you of that, just in case, like y'all saw it in the video. I didn't want y'all to be like, oh my God, what happened to your hair? So that's what it is. My hair broke off. So there is a area up here that's been very sensitive, which is why I haven't been doing buns, puffs, different things like that. Why I've been doing the loose protective styles, because I don't want to put tension on my hair until it's strong. So my wash day that I did probably 3 days ago, I did use a keratin protein treatment, using the Cream of Nature line, their protein treatment. And you're supposed to use that 4 to 6 weeks. Doing my research, I'm gonna be starting the Apogee? I'm gonna link it, but it's Apogee 2-step protein treatment, a 2-step protein treatment. I'm gonna start in the next 4 to 6 weeks on my hair, so I can start bonding my hair together. And I want you guys to go on this journey with me, because it happens to so many women. I'm 22, about to be 23 in the next 2 days, but breakage has happened to me because it's low porosity, just different things in life that can hinder you from taking care of your hair. That's what happened to me. It wasn't that I didn't love my hair. It wasn't that, like I wasn't trying to put the protective styles in it. I just didn't go through the proper steps to make sure that it was getting all the moisture that it needed, especially during the winter months. It was winter. I don't know what your girl was thinking. So I do want to show you guys right now, after I did my wash day, I did put it up into some braids to stretch it, because I am planning on doing a hairstyle for my birthday that I plan on keeping for at least 2-3 weeks, 2 weeks max. And it is a loose style, something that's not going to hurt my hair. But what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna take my hair loose, and I'm gonna come back to you guys, and I'm gonna show you guys what breakage looks like, and then I'm gonna tell you what I'm going to do from my journey to get my hair back to where it was. I'll be right back. Alright guys, so I'm back. This is my hair. First, to taking out of the braid out. My hair is clean. Sorry for the noise in the background, but to better explain the process that I had to go through with my hair leading up to this stretched braid out was Friday of last week. Came home, washed my hair. Like I said, I did my keratin protein treatment using the Cream of Nature. I did detangle first with the Aussie Moist 3-Minute Miracle deep conditioner, because I do, you know what I'm saying, like I do detangle before shampooing. Once I was done with shampooing, I did 1 pass of the conditioner, and then I went in with the keratin protein treatment to help strengthen my hair a little bit. Like I said, you don't do protein treatments often. You literally try to do them 4 to 6 weeks apart. So at least once a month, I would say once a month you need to do a protein treatment if you have low porosity hair, but kind of fill out on your hair, because some people can be sensitive to protein treatments. So leading up to that, once I was done with the keratin protein treatment, I noticed that this is my breakage, y'all. Say hello. This is my breakage. Say hello. As you can see, it is very much shorter than the rest of my hair, and it is in the middle part of my hair. A lot of y'all was wondering why I massage my scalp, especially in the middle that much. That is why. I'm trying to generate and tell my hair that this is where the blood needs to flow in order for my hair to grow back properly, and for my strands to get their strength back. I just go in and just gently massage my scalp. So that is why I was doing it mostly in this area as opposed to everywhere else. But I did give it the love, you know what I'm saying? I did give it the love that it needed. Sorry, my brain's all over the place. But leading out of the keratin protein treatment that I did go in with the, I think it's Maui. It's a deep conditioning hair mask for damaged and dry hair. I'll link it in the description box below. It was really good. The only thing was I used so much of it. I've been heavy-handed recently with my products because my hair is so easy to dry out. So, but it was really good for my hair, so I'll definitely keep using it. And like I said, I'll put it in the description box down below. But as you can see, my hair and scalp are clean. To do my braids, I strictly use my DIY oils that I made, you know, myself, and then I put that on there, and then I just let my hair sit in braids. And today is Monday, so I just let my hair sit in braids for ever since Saturday. Yeah, ever since Saturday. It officially dried yesterday. Woke up this morning, still let it, you know, be in a braided state, or a scarf on my head to work, and called it a day. And now we're here, and it's stretched out. Some is defined, some is poofy, but that's okay because we had a scarf on the entire time, so ends were protected. But going back to my breakage, my little baby pouch back here, that is what it is, and that is what we're working to build back up. I'm looking for my hair to grow. I am praying for my hair, I pray for my hair, because I know I put it through a lot, and I know that me physically goes through a lot, so I pray for my hair. But like I said, I am going to start using the Apogee 2-step protein treatments. I'm going to start using that. I'm not going to stop using my keratin treatment from Cream of Nature. I probably switch it out, like going like every 3 or 4 months. I might switch or whatever, but I saw that through my research that really helps bond your hair. And there are other ways to do protein treatments. You can use eggs, you can use rice water. There are a lot of options out there. It's just about what works best for you and works best for your hair. But that is what I'm going to try, and I hope you guys go on this journey with me. Definitely going to be doing a lot of low manipulation styles. Definitely going to be focusing on keeping it moisturized. If I do put it in a protective style, both with yarn or my natural hair, I just uploaded a video about the styles I do with just my natural hair that allow me not to manipulate my hair, not be in my hair. I'm also not using heat or anything like that, so I will just be stretching my hair out with just braid outs or just using the banding method to try to nurse it back to, I guess, what I deem is my healthy for my hair. But I just wanted to come on here and let you guys know that breakage can be restored. It's not the end of the world. Trust me, I cried. I cried when I got out of the shower. I did, because I love my hair, and I love how much confidence it's given me as a person. But I also know that it needs more than what I was giving it to thrive. So I'm gonna give it what it needs. No matter how many days it takes. People were coming to me like, oh, your hair wash day takes so long. And then I started shortening my wash days and making excuses. Like, no. My hair was like, no. And so we're going back to the old days. You feel me? But I just want to come on here and share that with you guys. Just keep your hair healthy. Do what's best for your hair. Don't be looking at everybody else's hair. Listen, your hair is not everybody else's hair. My hair is not my sister's hair. My hair is definitely not my mom's hair. Okay? It's not. So you do what's best for your hair, and you do what's best for you as an individual. If your hair is important to you, you're going to take care of it. When it's down, you're down. That's how I feel. That might not be how you feel, but that's how I feel. When my hair is down, I'm down. And, you know, like, so we gotta get it right. So thank you for joining me on the start of this journey. I will be keeping you guys updated on the progress. Hopefully you guys will see the process and the progress that I go through. But yeah, if you're struggling with breakage, come on this journey with me. If you're struggling with length retention, come on this journey with me. I feel like my hair is just not starting to grow in certain areas. Like, this is where we are right now. My hair, I think this is the longest my hair has been in the back and in the front. This is the longest that my hair has been. So now it's really getting the middle part of my hair where everybody else is. So now that I know that, I'm gonna focus on that and make sure I do what I gotta do. But enough talking. I hope you guys have a great day. Be bold, be beautiful, be naturally you. This is naturally me. Okay, this is naturally me. Okay, be bold, be beautiful, be naturally you. I love y'all. I appreciate all the bit of support that I get. It's no way but up from here. God is on my side. Follow me on all forms of social media. Do not forget to hit the like button and leave a comment. Also remember to hit the notification bell so that you can be notified every single time that I post a video, because I'm coming out with bangers. Okay? I coming out with bangers. I coming out with bangers. And if you don't like it, it's okay. It's okay. It's okay. Hey, it's okay. But I'm blessed. I highly favored. I love you guys. Natural gang, gang, gang. And we are out.